Subscribe to his YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any update. It is announced that it has successfully demoed world's first 5G video call using 3D structured light technology. The demonstration reproduced a 3D portrait image on a remote receiver using portrait information collected structured light 3D camera of an OPPO phone and 5G NR terminal prototypes from Qualcomm. The company has utilized a customized OPPO R11s with the integrated structured light camera. It collected the color and 3D depth of the target object using RGB and the structured light camera of the phone. The information is transmitted from a 5G environment and was able to finally display the target object in a remote display screen. OPPO, a partnership with global chipmaker Qualcomm Technologies between the two major mobile phone core technologies, 3D structured light and 5G, which are currently in force. Obviously, OPPO wants to express that it is necessary to strive first as a 5G Android mobile phone product. Among them, the link between the two is that carrying 3D portrait information requires higher bandwidth and lower latency, and the necessity of 5G is highlighted. Relying on the further outbreak of 5G data traffic, application scenarios such as 3D games and AR or VR video will be greatly expanded. In the demonstration, OPPO and Qualcomm co-developed 5G-enabled tablet that able to achieve a maximum download rate of 1.41 Gbps. A measured 1 GB video was downloaded in only 6.8 seconds. At the same time, OPPO also demonstrated 3D video streaming based on 5G networks. In the future, there will be no need to watch true 3D movies or 3D video conversations on mobile phones. The mobile internet is reducing the boundaries between the physical world and digital world, while 3D content will be a factor to further improve the immersive user experience. OPPO also mentioned that it is committed to providing innovative application by utilizing 3D structured light technology. Earlier this year, OPPO announced 5G pilot program with Qualcomm Technologies, and it will be one of the first smartphone manufacturers to launch 5G handsets in 2019. OPPO said that it will commercialize the application of 3D structured light technology in smartphones in approximately 6 months.